Hello food lovers! Today, I'm taking you on a culinary adventure to discover the magic of Molokhia soup. This green delight, made from finely chopped jute leaves, is bursting with flavor and steeped in folklore. Molokhia dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was considered a royal dish. Legend has it that a Fatimid caliph once banned it, fearing its magical health properties. Now that's some serious soup power. So let's talk ingredients. You'll need Molokhia leaves. Fresh or dried jute leaves work perfectly. Add in some garlic, coriander, and a dollop of ghee or butter for that rich, authentic taste. The base is a savory broth which could be chicken, beef, or even rabbit. And here's how you serve it. Molokhia is traditionally enjoyed over white rice or with Egyptian flatbread. Often it's paired with succulent roasted meat. Imagine dipping that crispy bread into the velvety soup. Fun fact alert. Egyptians prefer their Molokhia hot, but in other Arab countries like Lebanon, they might serve it cold with a squeeze of lemon. Talk about versatility. So there you have it, the magic of Molokhia soup. Whether you're looking to explore ancient history, savor rich flavors, or simply try something new, Molokhia is your ticket to a truly unforgettable meal. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, happy cooking.
Hey food lovers, ever heard of Mlokia? This green soup made from finely chopped jute leaves is packed with flavor and folklore. Let's dive into its magical history. Mlokia traces its roots back to ancient Egypt. Legend has it this dish was so beloved by royalty that a Fatimid caliph banned it, fearing its magical health properties. Yep, it's that good. So what goes into making this enchanting soup? You'll need Mlokia leaves, either fresh or dried jute leaves, garlic, coriander, ghee or butter, and your choice of broth. Chicken, beef or even rabbit. First, saute the garlic and coriander in ghee. This step is key to unlocking that irresistible aroma. Then stir in the Mlokia leaves. Add your chosen broth and let it simmer until everything's melded together into a velvety green delight. Mlokia is traditionally served over a bed of fluffy white rice or with Egyptian flatbread. For an extra treat, pair it with some roast meat. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Here's a fun fact. While Egyptians enjoy Mlokia hot, some Arab countries like Lebanon serve it cold with a splash of lemon. Different strokes for different folks, right? So the next time you're craving something comforting and packed with history, give Mlokia a try. This soup isn't just a meal, it's a magical taste of ancient Egypt. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious adventures. Catch you in the next video.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we have special hot pepper for you. The chocolate or dark habanero is a variety of habanero chili pepper that has been selectively bred to be larger, heavier, and spicier. It is also known as the black habanero. The chocolate habanero has unique earthy undertones and a smoky flavor that complements the sweet taste of the habanero pepper. Despite their popularity, habanero peppers are incredibly hot, and people rarely eat them whole. They typically add flavor and heat to hot sauces, spicy foods, sweet salsa, fruity barbecue sauce, and even marinades. It is important to handle them with care to avoid any accidents. However, when you bathe them in alcohol, such as tequila, vodka, or whiskey, the heat goes away. The liquor that seeps out of the pepper can be used to mix your next spicy margarita. The peppers retain their delicate, sweet flavor without burning your face in some way. Just like its namesake, this habanero barbecue flavor is authentically robust and spicy without being overly domineering or salted. Furthermore, the barbecue taste's smoky sweetness contrasts well with the habanero's hot flavor. Habanero barbecue has a nice balance of taste and heat without being unduly salty. Making delicious barbecue with mango habanero barbecue sauce recipe is perfect for grilled shrimp, fish, chicken, or pork, with just the right amount of sweetness and heat.
أشرفي جمال فيه رافعك عندي ورامه يشو نسوى بحاري المغري من هنا صار أشرفي جمال فيه رافعك عندي ورامه.
Thank you for choosing to watch.